Should you eat eggs every day? Are they good or bad for your health? Do they raise cholesterol levels? What's the healthiest way to prepare eggs without harming your arteries? How many eggs should you eat daily? And should you stick to egg whites and skip the yolks? Are brown eggs better than white ones? What about the yolk's color? Does it really matter? Hi, I'm Dr. Marcos, and welcome to your Stronger channel. Before we dive into the video, have you already hit the like button and subscribed to the channel? Your support helps this content reach more people. Can I count on you? In today's video, we're going to explore how eggs can benefit your health and share 8 science-backed reasons to include them in your daily diet. Spoiler alert, eggs are a true superfood. They're affordable, quick to prepare, and available almost everywhere. Stick around until the end because I'm sure some of these facts will surprise you. Let's keep going. What makes eggs a superfood and an excellent choice for a healthy diet? It's simple, eggs are packed with nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and high-quality protein, all in a low-calorie package, with just about 78 calories per egg. If there were a list of the most perfect foods, eggs would undoubtedly rank in the top 3. But in the past, they didn't have such a great reputation. Eggs were often viewed negatively, especially because of the cholesterol in the yolk. Today, we know eggs aren't the villain they were once thought to be. While it's true that yolks contain cholesterol, around 180 to 200 milligrams per egg, recent studies have debunked the myth. Back then, eating 2 eggs could easily exceed the daily recommended cholesterol limit. In 2015, after reviewing more than 40 studies, scientists concluded that there's no direct link between dietary cholesterol and heart disease. Isn't it amazing how science can completely change how we see the foods we eat? Now, here's an important explanation: dietary cholesterol doesn't necessarily mean your blood cholesterol levels will increase or harm your health. This is because when you consume more cholesterol, your liver compensates by producing less of it. However, about 1 in 3 people may experience elevated blood cholesterol levels when following a cholesterol-rich diet. For these individuals, eating 1 egg a day can increase total cholesterol by about 10 to 15%. That said, experts today are more concerned about saturated fats, which have a much greater impact on raising LDL, the bad cholesterol, and, in turn, the risk of heart disease. Eggs, along with shrimp, stand out because they're high in cholesterol but low in saturated fat. This means that for most people, eating eggs doesn't significantly affect blood cholesterol levels, or only causes a slight increase, making them a much healthier choice compared to other foods high in cholesterol and saturated fat. Now, let's talk about the nutritional value of eggs. Remember, an egg contains everything needed to nurture a growing chick. It's designed to support new life. So, it's no surprise that eggs are a rich and balanced source of nutrients. Each large egg provides about 6 grams of protein, and here's the key: this protein is of the highest quality. Eggs contain all 9 essential amino acids that the human body cannot produce on its own, making them a complete protein source. This is crucial for repairing and strengthening the body's tissues. But eggs are much more than just a protein source. They're packed with essential benefits for the body. The high-quality protein in eggs supports various processes, including muscle growth, recovery, weight loss, lower blood pressure, and even bone health. This is because egg protein has an excellent biological value, meaning it's easily absorbed and utilized by the body. But eggs don't stop there. They're a true nutritional powerhouse, offering 13 essential vitamins and minerals, including Vitamin A, Vitamin B2, riboflavin, Vitamin B5, pantothenic acid, Vitamin B6, biotin, folate, B9, Vitamin B12, Vitamins E, K, and D, plus calcium, zinc, phosphorus, selenium, and antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which make eggs incredibly beneficial for your health. Egg whites versus yolks. Egg whites and yolks play different roles. The white is high in protein, making up about 60% of an egg's total protein, and it's cholesterol-free. The yolk, on the other hand, contains fats, cholesterol, and a variety of key nutrients like lutein, zeaxanthin, and fat-soluble vitamins. Here's a helpful tip: eating eggs with other foods can enhance the absorption of certain vitamins. For example, studies suggest that adding an egg to a salad can increase the amount of vitamin E your body absorbs from the vegetables. 8 benefits of eating eggs every day. 8. Improved eye health. Eggs are rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, found primarily in the yolk. These compounds help protect your eyes from common age-related vision problems, such as macular degeneration and cataracts. Additionally, egg yolks are an excellent source of vitamin A, an essential nutrient for eye health. In fact, a lack of vitamin A can even lead to blindness. Tip: to reap these benefits, don't skip the yolk, it's where the vision-protecting nutrients are concentrated. 7. Enhanced brain function. Eggs are an excellent source of choline, a nutrient essential for optimal brain function. Unfortunately, many people don't consume enough choline, so including eggs in your diet is an easy way to boost brain health. One whole egg provides over 100 milligrams of choline, making it one of the best food sources for this nutrient. Choline plays a critical role in forming cell membranes and is important for memory, mood regulation, and motor functions. Eggs are also rich in vitamin B12, which supports a healthy nervous system. 6. Boosts immunity. Eggs are packed with nutrients that strengthen the immune system, such as selenium, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. In fact, egg yolks are one of the few natural sources of vitamin D. Eating just 2 eggs provides over 80% of the recommended daily intake of this essential nutrient, which is critical for bone health and enhancing immunity. 5. Aids in weight loss. Eggs are an excellent choice for those looking to manage their weight. Their high-quality protein content not only boosts metabolism but also keeps you feeling full for longer. Starting your day with eggs for breakfast can reduce hunger and help you avoid unnecessary snacking until lunchtime. This makes eggs a fantastic option for losing weight while staying energized. 4. Stabilizes blood sugar levels. Adding eggs to your diet can help minimize blood sugar spikes, making them an important food for those with diabetes or at risk of developing it. By helping regulate blood sugar levels, eggs also promote steady energy throughout the day. 3. Lowers triglycerides. Eating eggs, especially those enriched with omega-3 fatty acids, can effectively reduce triglyceride levels. High triglycerides, a type of fat in the blood, can contribute to plaque buildup in the arteries, increasing the risk of heart disease. By lowering these levels, eggs help improve your cardiovascular health. 2. Reduces stroke risk. Including 1 egg a day in your diet can help lower the risk of stroke, particularly the hemorrhagic type, HS. A study conducted in China revealed that people who ate at least 1 egg daily were almost 30% less likely to die from a stroke compared to those who avoided eggs. A truly remarkable benefit. 1. Increases good cholesterol, HDL. Speaking of cholesterol, eating 2 or more eggs per day can boost HDL, the good cholesterol, by up to 10%. While about 30% of people may see a slight increase in LDL, the bad cholesterol, from eating eggs, there's good news: eggs appear to alter LDL structure, converting small, dense particles, more harmful, into larger, less risky particles. This transformation may help lower the risk of heart disease. In addition to all these benefits, eggs also contribute to bone health. The egg white is rich in proline, a precursor to collagen that helps strengthen bones, while the yolk provides vitamin D, phosphorus, and calcium, all of which are essential for improving bone density. Finally, it's important to consider how you prepare your eggs. Avoid cooking methods that add saturated fats, like frying with butter or lard. Cooking at low temperatures with olive oil or other healthy options helps preserve more nutrients and enhances the health benefits. Eggs truly deserve their place as a superfood. I hope this video was helpful. Share it with a friend or family member to spread the knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, it helps this content reach more people around the world. Thank you so much.
Legal disclaimer. This video is for educational purposes only, aimed at instructing the public on various topics related to medicine and general health. The information provided in the videos is not intended to replace medical consultations or serve as recommendations for any treatment plans. If you have any questions, please consult your doctor. Medicine is a constantly evolving field, and the videos are based on the most recent scientific articles available at the time of production. The videos are strictly for educational purposes only and do not disclose addresses or phone numbers of any office, clinic, or service.